I'm going to be showing you a quick working system of a UPS power system and why you should be having in Pakistan if you're out of budget and really not sure of having a solar system. But in terms of the load shedding and the power outages in Pakistan, I'm going to be showing you how the system, UPS system, works. So first and foremost, you have the power of the UPS, which is going to the input, which is provided by the, you can say, electric provider. So that's going to be giving power to the input side of the UPS. As you can see, it's the input. That's the input. It's going to be charging the UPS, and then the UPS is going to be providing power. As you can see, it's green light, so that's going to be charging the battery DC energy. The battery is liquid, so it's 130 12 volts, 130 amp hour, 12 volts liquid battery as it's charging. And the output of the UPS, as you can see, the output, it provides power to the rooms that we have decided to provide power during the power outages. So when the power is not there, that's when the output is going to be giving electricity to the rooms that we have assigned to. So for example, as you can see, the 7 rooms are these 7. They are marked with the marker 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So these 7 rooms are provided power from the UPS during the power outages. The power, as you can see, it's 237 volts AC sine wave for the UPS, and right now it's the consumption that the rooms are using right now in terms of ceiling fans or lights or anything that in the rooms are turned off at the moment. So that's why it's 300 watts or 290 watts at the moment. Normally at its peak it's around 600, 700 watts when you're using the lights or fans or TV or something like that. So during the 7 rooms right now we're not using much power, so it's 290 watts. As you can see, backup in terms of the power went out for around, I think, 2 hours a day, two times a day at maximum. So it's been using backup from the DC battery, so for 6 hours, and it's been saving a total of 196 hours. It's been saving energy, so it's been saving 189 hours. So it's been utilizing or saving up 189 hours, from which 6 hours were used from the battery. As you can see, the battery has been fully charged. You can see with 20 amps. So 20 amps is full charge battery, and normally when it's being used, that's when the voltage levels are being dropped. I just want to tell you guys, if you want to connect it, what you need to do is basically you need to turn this off, and the rooms that you want to have power that is provided by the UPS system is that you want to detach it or make a separate connection from the electric provider. For example, of the 7 rooms that we are being provided power by the UPS, these 7 rooms are separately attached. They have their own separate phase, so we connected them together and connected it using a single phase, which these 7 rooms are being run by a single phase power. And that single phase power, which is, as you can see here, the single phase power is the output side of the UPS system.